What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video we will be taking a look at this Enzo Ferrari. Welcome back to the channel, guys. As ever, if you're new to the channel, please give us a subscribe and a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get into taking a look at this very nice blue Enzo Ferrari. I've had this for quite a while now. I've been eagerly waiting for a video to open it up. I couldn't hold on to it any longer. So yeah, let's get it opened up and let's take a closer look. So there we have it. Very nice blue Enzo Ferrari. Really liking this blue. Looks so much better out of the packet. Such a cool car. Very nice casting. See there, 2002 Hot Wheels Enzo Ferrari. They got a bit of value to them as well. They're definitely holding a bit of money. Obviously, I assume they're pretty rare to come across. So there you have it, guys. The blue Enzo Ferrari. If you're a fan of the blue, give the video a thumbs up. And let's get it on the turntable. And as ever, guys, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, like I said, and subscribe. I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers. And like I said, when we reach 1,000 subscribers, who knows, I might open up that premium RLC Nissan Skyline I've got. So yeah, catch you guys in another video and enjoy the turntable.